Hi friends, my name is Vedika and this is my little brother Dave. Hi everyone! We're gonna make two refreshing yogurt drinks. We're gonna make banana lassi and chocolate lassi. So let's look at the ingredients. We have 1 cup of curd, sliced bananas, dry nuts, cashews, pista, and some almonds, and sugar, ice cubes, and water. Let's start. So we are gonna pour some yogurt. We're gonna pour the sliced banana. And we're gonna pour the cashew nuts and the dry nuts. Two teaspoons of sugar and some ice cubes. Twice. We're gonna pour water, so we're gonna close it. So we are gonna blend it. Let's start. So we had blended it, and we are gonna pour it in a serving glass. Let's decorate it. Hope you liked our banana lassi. Now what we're gonna make is chocolate lassi. Let's get started. So we have 1 cup of yogurt. We have 2 chocolate balls, and we have some grated chocolate, and we have some sugar and a few ice cubes. Let's pour some yogurt. Now let's put in the chocolate balls. And some sugar. And the ice cubes. But we forgot to add water. Let's add water before we blend it. Silly me. Let's blend it. So we have blended it. And let's pour it to a serving glass. Decorate. Thank you. I know our chocolate lassi is ready. It's tasting time. Actually, which one do you want? Chocolate. I guess I'll have this. Honey bunny. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can watch more of our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.